Look, Orbi, everything the light touches is our kingdom.
Wow!
A queen's time as ruler rises and falls like the sun. One day, Orbi, the sun will set on my time here and will rise with you as the new queen.
And this'll all be mine?
Everything.
Everything the light touches.
Well, at least as far as 5,000 square feet, which is still a lot of ground covered. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. And around the office, I'm known as the Queen of Newegg, obviously. And I'm back again with another episode of Unbox This. Today we're getting into the Orbi 5G Mesh Wifi System, a blazing fast and reliable mesh Wi-Fi system that covers up to 5,000 square feet. If you're covering a lot of ground with your Wi-Fi system, you might notice that it's slow or glitchy in some areas. But with the Orbi 5G Mesh System, all 5,000 square feet of your space can be covered in high-speed internet. If you live in a really big house or you're working in a large office space, the Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi touches all the land and guarantees that you'll be using speedy, reliable internet at all times. So let's get to the good stuff. It is time to unbox this. All right, let's do this. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first thing out of the box is a second box filled with the AC adapter, the second AC adapter, we have an Ethernet cord, and that's it for that box. Okay, so right here we have the contents and the overview. This is basically your quick start guide. Now here we have a router. Here we have your second router. And this is a little contact card. Okay, you guys, that's all I've got for you, so let's clear everything off the table and dive into the details. The Orbi 5G Mesh Wi-Fi system delivers mobile 5G technology into your home. With that, you get up to 1 gigabit internet speed. Like I've mentioned before, the Orbi Wi-Fi system can span up to 5,000 square feet, covering every inch with super fast, stable Wi-Fi 6 technology with speeds of up to 4.2 gigabits per second for up to 40 devices. If you're working in an office space or you live in a big house with a lot of connected devices, that 4.2 gigabit per second speed is great. That means you can stream multiple 8K and 4K videos at once and still maintain high speed. With Wi-Fi 6 technology, you can simultaneously connect up to 40 smart devices in 6 different rooms. I wasn't kidding when I said that one day, everything the light touches, up to 5,000 square feet, will be yours, Orbi. The Orbi 5G Mesh Wi-Fi system uses tri-band technology, which ensures a dedicated connection that delivers superior Wi-Fi performance and coverage. 5G broadband network connectivity is also what supplies up to 1 gigabit internet speed, as well as super quick reaction times for gaming, VR, smart devices, and immersive learning tools. You'll also notice that downloads, streaming, and browsing all have minimal lag time. Things just get done faster with this Wi-Fi system. If 5,000 square feet just isn't enough for you, you can also expand your coverage with satellite devices, reaching up to 17,500 square feet. If you do decide to grab one of these, you'll be glad to know that setup is simple and network management is streamlined thanks to the Orbi app. It comes with a free trial to Netgear Armor cybersecurity too. If you're ready to expand your Wi-Fi range and rule your kingdom with super fast Wi-Fi, go ahead and click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys.